love my dogs, but sometimes they irritate me with their behavior. This is the dog bark controller. Bark control, daily training, behavioral deterrence. That's what I need. And then there's nighttime illumination. So let's just, first of all, every dog is different. This system is humane. It's a no-shock tool designed to interrupt the barking and bring your dog's attention to something else. And they're not harsh methods. I have 2 Weskies, and I tested this on them because they need it. So let's talk about the device here in general. On the side are three items, okay? First, you have the activate button or the lock button. You have the variable frequency, ultrasonic mode. And then you have the line is the fixed frequency. The variable one is the wiggle line, and then that's the on and off button, okay? On the top, you have the flashlight and the three sonic emitters. LED flashlight, sonic emitters. And then the charging. I suggest to charge it like 3 hours before you use it. And this thing will last the sound about 15 hours. Every so often, make sure you charge it though. It can emit 2 ultrasonic waves, 25 to 30 kHz variable frequency, both inaudible and highly effective for dogs. We cannot hear it. They can hear it, okay? So basically what you do, this is the audible. I'm going to turn it on. You can hear it vibrate. That's the flashlight, okay? If your dog sees that, they're going to think, what is going on? And then that's the sound. The audible tone, you can use that for training, distracting, any overly hyped dog. My dog turns their head like, what is that? What is that? The device is so lightweight, and then the flashlight, that also gets their attention as well. There's a safety lock plus an automatic 8-second shut off to keep everything safe and secure. But USB-C charging, super, super fast. And, you know, I wouldn't use this on brand new puppies, but always consult your vet. Like, 6 months to, a mature dog. But this is great for puppies and for adult dogs like mine that need reminders of good behavior. But I also like the flashlight. So what I'm going to use this for is the doorbell. My dogs are so annoying with the doorbell. So I'm going to try to redirect their behavior, the doorbell barking, the yard barking, the car barking, and we're going to see how it goes. Bottom line, this is compact, it's humane, and it makes the dog, their little chaos, stop and refocus. I do highly recommend this dog bark deterrent device. This review is sponsored.